Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to set up a custom automated email in Mailchimp. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts and engage with your subscribers in a more personalized way, Mailchimp's automated email feature is the perfect solution. With automated emails, you can send targeted messages to your audience based on their behaviors, preferences, or specific triggers. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps of creating a custom automated email in Mailchimp. We'll cover how to define the automation trigger, whether it's a welcome email, abandoned cart reminder, birthday greeting, or any other event or action that you would like to automate. You'll learn how to design your email templates, personalize the content, and set up a sending schedule. So let's get started. Now right now we are currently at the homepage of Mailchimp. Creating an account is very easy, so if you already did that, let us proceed. So over here, you could either click on automations over here, which would allow you to check out the automations directly, only focusing on the automations. And as you can see here, you will be able to see pre-built journeys over here, or pre-built automations that you could use if you would like. You could have your cover abandoned carts, email tag customers, create repeat customers, celebrate customer birthdays, find new contacts with Facebook leads, and many more. You could click on see all journey templates over here, which would help you, or if ever you're looking for a specific action and you're a bit lazy or you don't want to waste time building your own automation from scratch, you can look for the action or the automation that you're trying to create in all the journeys over here. But if unfortunately the automation that you're trying to create is not present in the options that you have over here, you're going to have to build it from scratch. So to be able to build your very first automation, your very first email automation, you're going to have to click on build from scratch over here by clicking the button build from scratch. And by doing that, we will be redirected to this section over here. Now we're first going to create a name. Now you could add or build any name that you want. For example, we could go with a thank you email. Then click on start building, and we're going to create our automation. Now over here, we're going to choose our starting point. We're going to choose what happens, what triggers this automation. We could choose from the popular options over here like tag added, signups, birthday, buy specific product, abandoned cart, send an email, and all of these other options over here like contact activity, date and special events, shopping activity, marketing activity, and integrations over here. So since our name is thank you, we're going to go with sign up. So we're simply going to click that, and then we could click on save starting point. Now this is our starting point for this automation, and then you could add a journey point, what the automation will do. Now the first option, the recommended option, is to send an email, or you could also have some rules over here depending on how you would like your automations to work. So you have if else over here, percentage split, waiting for a trigger if you would like to add another trigger, time delay, different actions like send email with a survey, webhook, group and ungroup, tag and untag, unsubscribe, update contact, archive contact, and many more over here. You could put them all together depending on how you would like your automation to work. Now for now, we're going to go with a very simple automation. Once they sign up, we could either send an email. So we're going to have that. You can see all of this other information over here. You have the to and from, the subject over here, schedule every day as soon as possible, tracking, and you could choose and build your email in this section. Now over here, for example, to and from, you could click on edit, and then you will be able to edit the fields over here, like with what email you're trying to send it from, what your email is, and all of those stuff. You can also edit the subject over here by clicking on edit. You can edit your subject text over here, have a preview text if you would like, and you can schedule it when it would send. You could have every day or a specific day if you would like, and a specific time over here and there. And you can also add tracking if you would like, but you would need to enable Google Analytics link tracking, and you would need to connect your Mailchimp account to Google Analytics. But if you don't want to do that, it is completely up to you. That is optional. And over here, you could choose the classic builder or the new builder over here. Now currently the new builder is in beta, so we're going to use the classic because beta means it's not the fully finished product yet. There will be some bugs over here and over there. So if you want to ensure that you won't face any issue, if you want 100% direct and safe and no issue experience, go with the classic builder. So we're going to click on the classic builder over here, and we will be redirected to the editing page over here. But first, we're going to select a template for our email. And over here, you have your featured, very simple featured template over here. You could see like a preview of the output over here. You have your basics over here, the empty design, empty templates that you will be building on your own. And those are the simple designs that you could choose from. So for now, we're going to go with a featured over here. For example, announcement. Click on announcement over here. Now the information or like the purpose of the specific template, as you can see, the name of the template was announcement. It's not necessarily required to be an announcement template. You could simply edit this and change it however you want. And as you can see here, this is our preview over here. Now you could change any options, any section that you want over here. For example, this part over here, you can simply click this, click on this icon over here, which would allow you to edit your text over here, edit the formatting however you want, and it will appear in this section. You could add any styles, any content. As you can see here, you could edit your font, size, color, any of these options. And you can also click on settings over here, which would allow you to add columns. By doing this, as you can see, it will separate your text over here with another one. You can make it smaller, and you can make it this as well, depending on how you would like to do this. You could also add images if you would like. This is completely up to you. You could add images in this section by clicking on Content Studio over here. You could put or turn a specific text into a hyperlink or like a link text. And that is how you will be able to edit this section. If you would like to duplicate this, you can simply click on this icon, which would duplicate this specific block over here. And if you would like to delete this, you can click on this as well. Also, if you don't know how to edit the second column that we have added, you can simply click on column 2 over here, which would allow you to edit specific sections on the column 2 over here. You could do the same thing for your logo over here. Simply replace, link, or have an alternative for your logo. Change the style like a rounded corners like this. You can see here, very light, but you can see that there's a curve on our logo. And you can edit however you want. And you can edit the display size over here and also the settings over here. Now you can also edit your photos in this section, as you can see. And after editing all of this, you can also add additional things. For example, we're going to save and close. You can add all of this information or all of these blocks over here. You have text, box text, divider, image, image group, image card, image plus text, share, social follow, button, footer, code, and video over here. Adding them is very easy. You can simply drag it into your email over here, email template, and it will automatically be added to your email template over here. Then you can simply delete if ever you make a mistake. Very easy and very direct to use. You also have your styles over here, general styles like the page, header, body, footer, mobile styles, and all of these options over here. You can simply explore it on your own. It's not very complicated. This is completely depending on your preference. And you could also add some comments over here. Now after this, you can click on preview and test if ever you would like to test it, save as a template, or save and return to journey. For now, we're going to return to journey over here, and we're going to go back to our automation. Now in this section, as you can see, we have our email over here. Now you could add more journey point in between this too, but for now we have this. And this is our automation. When they sign up, they will receive the email, and this will happen every time. Contact repeats journey over here. This will be the automation. And you could add more like journey points. Like I said earlier, you could add if else and any of those options. Then you could edit the settings over here. And after this, if ever you would like to proceed now, you would need to upgrade it though to be able to activate the customer journey. The essential plan includes 4 journey points, and the standard plan includes 100 journey points. You're going to have to upgrade your plan to be able to have an automation on your Mailchimp. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.